Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope again you are enjoying your online classes. Yes? Okay. Don't worry. This lockdown is for a short period. So, students, today we are going to start our grammar book, Mastering Grammar. So, take out your grammar, open the pages. Your first chapter is alphabetical order. But today we are not go for it. So take out the sentence. Students, when we talk about our English subject, English language, all the things start from a sentence. So we have to collect the complete knowledge about sentence. How do we write the sentences? If our sentence is wrong, our language is wrong. Okay? So our topic is the sentence. So first you have to write down the date over here. What is date? Today is 15th of April 2021. Now let's start. Read the following groups of words. I am Naveen. Jeet is my brother. The book is on the table. All these group of words make complete sense and are called sentences. Complete sense means in this sentence, the sentence is written in a complete form. Like at the end of the sentence, I have used full stop, first letter capital, and this is a complete sentence that I am Naveen. Jeet is my brother. The sentence has been completed. Okay, a group of words. What is the definition of a sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words. These are the group of words. And it is a complete sense. If I have written that I am Naveen, my brother, is this a complete sentence? No, it will be wrong. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Now, these are the important instructions. A sentence begins with a capital letter. See here, the sentence begins with a capital letter. So, when you write a sentence, every time our first letter should be in capital. We have to write first letter capital. We have done common noun and proper noun, and all the proper nouns will start from capital letter like name. See, Naveen is a name. So first letter is capital. Brother, this is common noun. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे होता सॉरी यहाँ पे जीत है तो जीत का फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है? कैपिटल. ठीक है, तो प्रॉपर नाउन्स में हमेशा क्या होता है हमारा फर्स्ट लेटर? कैपिटल. सो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. एंड आफ्टर फुल स्टॉप व्हेन वी राइट नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, अगेन द फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कैपिटल. It makes complete sense. It ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark क्या होता है? When we are happy, when we are sad, when we are excited, then we use exclamation sign. हम अभी पढ़ेंगे इसको, then you will come to know what is exclamation mark. Okay, last year we have done, but I don't know how many students remember this thing. Okay, read the following groups of words. To garden the went I. What is this? To garden the went I. Does it make complete sense? No. If I will write I went to the garden, then that will make a complete sense. Then in the first sentence, to garden the went I. No, it does not make a sense. It is not complete. And the second one, in the garden. Both are incomplete sentences because they do not make sense. The group of words in example 1 does not make sense. The group of words in example 2 makes sense but not complete sense. These group of words are not sentences since they do not make complete sense. Now the part A, put a tick against the group of words that are sentences and put a cross against those that are not. कि हमें क्या करना है कि जो sentences हमारी complete form बना रहे हैं, sentences which make a complete form, we have to put a tick against those sentences. If they are not making a complete sense, then we have put a cross. In the drawing room, as you read, you will see this is incomplete sentence. It does not make a sense. So we have put a cross. To me the gave he book. What will be the correct sentence? Come on, tell me. You can think. To me gave the book, he book. I know that this is incorrect, but what will be the correct sense? He gave me the book. He gave me the book. Next is, the mouse is eating cheese. Yes, this makes a complete sense. So I have put a tick. Left the field. This is again also incomplete. So I have put a cross. The baby is laughing. Correct. Is Mita studying library? The is, no. This doesn't make a complete sense. So this is cross. The correct will be, is Mita studying in the library, or Mita is studying in the library. This pen belongs to Mahima. Yes, correct. The cat is running after the mouse. Again, this sentence also make the complete sense. Now, come to the next page. Read this group of words that does not make sense. Example 1. Season favorite my is summer. No, the correct is, summer is my favorite season. The next example is, school are closed remains summer in. The correct will be, our school remains closed in summer. Now rewrite the following groups of words as sentences. Begin each sentence with a capital letter and put a full stop at the end of the sentence. When we write a sentence, then begin each sentence with a capital letter. We have to start our sentence with a capital letter and put a full stop at the end of the sentence. So first is, sun in rises the east the. The sun rises in the east. A 7 their days are in week. There are 7 days in a week. Begin with capital letter, end with full stop, and you have to make a complete sense. Okay? Otherwise हमारा जो sentence है वो गलत हो जाएगा. And please students, do all the work in a very neat handwriting. Otherwise you may face problem in future when you will learn your work. Okay? I'm not going to check untidy work. You have to do your sentences in a very neat handwriting. So this is your homework, that from 3rd to 8th you have to do your own and you have to write sentences in a very neat handwriting. If you will face any problem regarding these sentences, you can send me a text message. Okay? By the evening I will send you answer key. So your today's work is 3 to 8 sentences you have to write in your grammar book. If somebody is not having grammar, somebody is not having books, then you have to do this work in your notebook. Got my point? If you are not having book, then you will complete your work in your notebook. I'm not going to listen any excuse that ma'am I was not having book so I didn't complete my work. No. You have to do this work in your notebook if you are not having book. Fine. So this is your homework for today. Okay students, have a nice day. Bye bye.